Hi everyone, welcome to the virtual demonstration of the Babybee ROVER3. The third iteration of our award-winning rover integrates feedback from tens of thousands of Australian parents to bring you our best single stroller yet. Trust me, you're gonna love it. As an Australian brand with ultra-low overheads, no distributors and only one carefully selected retail partner, we're able to offer the most premium products at an incredible price, ensuring more value for you without compromising on quality, innovation or style. So what sets the ROVER3 apart? Firstly, proven quality. Winner of the Product Review Best Single Pram Award for the past 6 years running, the ROVER3 is built to last and is backed by a market-leading lifetime warranty. Secondly, longevity. The ROVER3 is designed to meet your needs from newborn all the way through to 5 years, accommodating a bassinet, car capsule, or the largest stroller seat in its class. Plus, it's future ready. Add our sit-stand toddler board if or when your family grows. And thirdly, ultimate manoeuvrability, combining a super strong yet lightweight 7.5 kilo frame and with unique rear suspension design, the ROVER3 delivers an ultra smooth ride and effortless push over all terrain. A bassinet provides the safest flat surface for transporting a newborn, and the ROVER3 bassinet is built for all seasons. In warmer months, the large ventilation panel keeps things cool as the breeze flows through as you walk. Its pop-out UV cover protects from the sun, wind and weather and creates a dark, distraction-free space to promote sleep on the go. The thick mattress paired with a luxurious organic cotton lining offers a cozy, toxin-free sanctuary for your precious newborn, and the entire lining is machine washable for a quick and easy clean. It's easy to remove and its plastic feet keep the base clean and dry when placed on the ground. Just a safety note for those new to prams, supervised naps in pram bassinets are completely safe and encouraged. However, it's important to know that pram bassinets are not designed for overnight sleep, as per the latest Australian safety standards and advice from Australia's leading safety experts. From around 4 to 6 months, your baby will transition to the reversible seat. With the tallest seat in its class, it comfortably supports children up to 22 kilos or around 5 years. The extra large, fully extendable canopy offers UPF 50+ protection with side ventilation panels to keep your little one cool and shielded from the sun. A peekaboo flap lets you check on your little one while they nap and provides additional ventilation when needed. Stored in this handy pocket is your UV and sleep cover, offering full UPF 50+ protection. It blocks out the sun, wind and even mosquitoes. It's the ultimate nap aid, creating a dark, distraction-free space when busy life calls and you need them to nap on the go. The machine washable liner and wipeable footrest make cleanup a breeze. On one side, the soft organic cotton provides comfort, reversed to the darker side, ready for messy snack time as they grow. Getting them in and out is a breeze with the pivot swivel belly bar and simple 5-point safety harness. Another standout feature of the ROVER3 is its elevated seat. Just like the bassinet, the higher seat height causes less strain on your back when lifting your little one in and out. Plus, when you're out and about, it can double as a high chair, perfect for rolling straight up to a table at cafes. The ROVER3 features puncture-proof wheels made from high-grade PU, delivering the cushioning benefits of air tyres without the hassle of maintenance or punctures. The wide wheels provide excellent stability and sturdiness, ensuring a secure and confident feel that some prams lack. They're also gravel resistant, so you won't have to worry about stones or dents affecting their performance. The front swivel wheels provide a tight turning circle and can be locked for better manoeuvrability over potholes and uneven terrain. With 4-wheel suspension, the ROVER3 absorbs bumps for a smoother, more comfortable ride, even off-road. And its unique rear suspension design makes it effortless to pop up curbs even when the pram is fully loaded. Storage is key when it comes to prams, and the ROVER3 has you covered with multiple options. The generously sized basket offers a 12 kilo capacity and is easily accessible from both the front and back. Its flat-based design ensures even fully loaded supermarket bags stay upright, while the high seat height allows you to truly make the most of the space. A handy back seat pocket is ideal for stashing the UV cover or emergency wet wipes for those unexpected accidents. Plus, you'll receive a free handlebar bag perfect for keeping your phone, dummies or snacks within easy reach. The telescopic handlebar offers great versatility, catering to both short and tall parents. For reference, I'm 6 feet tall or 183 centimetres. The one-tap brake is effortless and sandal-friendly. If you're pregnant with your next child, recovering from a C-section or dealing with back issues, you'll appreciate a pram where you can remove the seat to fold, making it much lighter and easier to lift into your car on your own. To fold, simply pull the release levers, drop the handlebar and lift from the carry bar. The frame's ergonomic design ensures even weight distribution, making it far easier to carry across your body than lifting it out in front of you. For the fastest fold, leave the seat on the frame and lift from the sides instead. At just 10.8 kilos, the Rover 3 is one of the lighter full-size singles on the market, making it easy to load in and out of your car. To unfold, simply pull down the release lever and it opens as easy as that. The Rover 3 is compatible with most baby capsules on the market, offering the convenience of being able to move your capsule seamlessly from the car to the pram without needing to wake bub. We offer a bundle that includes Rover 3 and the Maxi-Cosi Miko 12 Alex capsule, our favourite 0 to 12 month capsule on the market right now. If you already have a compatible baby capsule, you'll just need the Rover capsule adapters. We also offer a range of optional accessories to further enhance your Rover 3. And don't forget to explore our baby essentials range. You'll save significantly by bundling these with your pram. So that's the Rover 3, the ultimate combination of quality, functionality and thoughtful design that will support you through every step of your child's first 5 years and making every adventure with your little one more enjoyable. Just in case and for your peace of mind, we offer a 9-month free return policy where you can order the pram and test it inside your house. If you've got any questions at all, our lovely team of Melbourne parents are always here to help. All the best and thanks for watching.